What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? We taking it slow today, boo. What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back. It's your girl, TonyaNicole. Today we have one of my favorites now, Lash Me Monthly. Ooh, y'all know I've been feeling this little box here. I really have. They've been showing your girl some love on social media, so I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Lash Me Monthly. And y'all, yeah, that's what we doing today. Lash Me Monthly. I need a drink break and a dance break. It's that kind of day today. I hope y'all ready to party, because let me tell y'all what's going on. It's almost Mardi Gras. Well, it started already. Parades have started, but y'all, I'm going to this parade on February 8th. It's called Crew de Vue. It is an adult themed parade. Y'all, this thing be off the hook. And y'all know I gotta go and order me. I don't know what I'm gonna wear for this parade. I really don't. But you know we going live on Instagram, right? So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm going all the way live. Y'all gonna see how we really party here. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm getting carried away. Let me drink. But yes, we have Lash Me Monthly. So if you guys want to see what's in my January 2020 Lash Me Monthly box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, your party host for today, and I am feeling good. I'm feeling groovy. I hope y'all grooving with me. I be reading these comments when y'all tell me that y'all drinking y'all coffee or y'all water or y'all liquor, and y'all grooving with me. Y'all know I love that. Come on, groove. But today, guys, we have Lash Me Monthly, and this is really becoming one of my favorite subscriptions. I do look forward to this subscription every time I get it in the mail. I'm anxious and I want to open it. So yes, that's what we're doing today. I didn't even open it. I'm going to cut it on camera for you guys. Before we do that, I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early, clicking the button, and watching your girl. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate all of you guys. And y'all know we're going to be chit-chatting it up in the comments, right? Make sure if you have not subscribed to me, you remember I told y'all that secret a while back that it's free? It's free to subscribe. So go on there, hit it. Because if you're watching me anyway, you might as well subscribe so you can start winning some of these giveaways we're going to be having. You know what I'm saying? So guys, let's get into the specs of this box. We're going to unbox it. And guess what? We're going to be done, boo. All right. Hey, a drink break and a dance break. Hey, oh. For you guys that do not know, Lash Me Monthly is a new subscription. I think it's been out maybe 5 or 6 months now. It is $21.99 per month with free shipping. You get 3 pairs of personalized lashes. And when you go on their site, guys, you just have to take like this little quiz about what type of lashes you like, which I do like that because they send you more of what you want. Right? And y'all should know I'm like drama filled, but I want glamorous lashes. That's what I told them, like the ones I'm wearing today. So, as I was saying, you get 3 personalized pairs of lashes and 3 full-size beauty products. All of their lashes are cruelty and fur free. And like I told you, they have a lash quiz that asks you about the length, the style, the shades of lipstick. It's a whole big production that I love because they're really personalizing it just for me, which I love. And if you use the code Tonya, you will get $5 off of your first box. So without further ado, let's get this box on and cracking, boo. Every month it comes in this cute little box here with Lash Me Monthly on it with the little eye lashes on it, which I thought at first was bats. I don't know why. Strange, huh? Let's open her up, baby. Ooh, let's see. Oh. I ain't saying, let me fan. Girl, I'm sweating this box. Oh, girl. Wait until y'all. This month's theme is glitter and glam. Everything about TonyaNicole, except I'm sequencing glam. Y'all know what it is. This is how the front of the card looks, guys. And on the back, we have our January menu, which tells us all of the products with the prices. They did do something a little different this month, which I can dig it. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, we're gonna do lashes first. We're gonna start off with the lashes. Now, normally their lashes come in a little box like this with all of the lashes inside, which I really do like. This month, however, they switched it up a little bit on that ass. And I don't mind, boo, because I love lashes and they're looking very, very, very nice. I kind of prefer it this way because I could travel with it. With this, I still can, but it's a little bulky, but I still like it. Now, up first, we have these lashes, which are TonyaNicole style, her work style. They don't have any names on the lashes. Let's see. Are there any on here? No. But these are the glitter and glam lashes. So this is the first pair right here. I love the packaging. It's like this little simple package, you know, guys, but I like the paper in the back. Oh, the lashes feel soft. Those are the lashes outside of the container, and they're absolutely gorgeous. These are more like a work lash for me, or a day date lash. You know, you don't want to be too dramatic during the day, but these are very pretty. I am really feeling this. And each one of these pairs of lashes retails for $14, and these are the first pair, guys. Next pair, I'm telling y'all, these are like, look at that. That is TonyaNicole all the way. Tell me it's not. Tell me it's not. Look how long and thick and wispy. It's kind of remind me of the ones I got on. Y'all, look at that. Oh my God, gorgeous. Oh, I love them. I love them. They are, oh my God, these are going to make my eyes look so sexy. Can y'all see it already? Look at that. Ooh. And these are $14 as well, guys. We got one more pair, boo. And, I'm going to just show them. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is just like TonyaNicole style. I mean, they're beautiful lashes. They're so full. Now, this one looks like a thicker version of these. If y'all can see, it's gorgeous, y'all. I love, oh my God. These are pretty. When my sister watched this video, she's going to want these lashes. I promise you. And you know what I'm going to tell her? Hell to the no, no, no. Hell no. Ever heard that song before? Probably just me because I'm an old soul. So these are the three pairs that we got, guys. Gorgeous. These are like TonyaNicole, babe. I mean, they should call this box TonyaNicole box. I mean, really, I'm going to have to contact them and see if they could do that. Okay, guys, now let's get into some makeup. First up, I am seeing from Kyra Beauty this Galaxy Balm Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And let's open it up. We have the shade Thirst. And I'm quite thirsty for a drink break and a dance break. Y'all don't get tired of my shenanigans, though. Please don't, because I'm crazy and I need to do them because this makes me feel better. And it makes me happy when my people in the comments tell me, oh, girl, you brought a little shine, a little smile to my face. And I love that. I love making y'all laugh and I love making y'all happy because y'all really brighten up my day as well. As you can see, this is something I really love doing. Oh, girl. All righty. So this is Miss Thirst right here. And this is what Thirst is looking like. Very, very, very pretty. Now, normally I do not go for these types of things, but Mardi Gras is coming up. I do need some exotic eyeshadows. So we're going to have to, we don't have to wear this on our eyes. I could put that anywhere, really. That's that beautiful gold shade right there, guys, which is very pretty. I might put a little bit on. Let me see. Look how that made that pop. Oh, yeah. Oh, girl. Oh, girl, now I'm feeling fancy. I'm feeling fancy. Yes, indeed. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, yeah. We just got to blend that out. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh, that look good, y'all. Now, I'm not blending in all that, but let's see what this retails for, guys. And this, guys, is the Kyra Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Thirst, and it retails for $10. Up next, guys, we have from Chela this eyeliner pen in the shade Black. This is what the outside packaging is looking like. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I do have a lot of black liners right now. So we don't need to open this one up, but I'm sure it is black. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Chela Beauty eyeliner pen, and it retails for $21. Ooh, kind of pricey for this. Last but not least, we have, y'all ready for this? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. 3 face brushes from Doe Color. Let's open them because y'all know I'm keeping these. Oh, wait. Maybe I shouldn't do it that way. Ooh. Oh! This feels, oh my God. Oh. This really should be the TonyaNicole box. I'm going to have to get on to Lash Me Monthly. This one might be the only one I don't use. So I'm not going to touch this one. This one may be the only one I don't use. But this one here, ooh, that's perfect for that bronzing or highlighting under the eyes, setting your powder, like, ooh, girl. And this is a foundation brush right there. So that's what that one looks like. This one is the one that I like, though. It's so pretty and so big and so round. And then you have the foundation brush right here. So 3 brushes and get into the handle. Look at that handle. It's so glittery pink. It's gorgeous. And they have a little bit of weight to them. Okay. I like that, boo. I'm going to put this one back on because I'll probably put this one in a giveaway. So yes, guys, we got 3 face brushes from Doe Colors. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the 3-piece Doe Color brush set, and it retails for $15. Okay, guys, that's my last product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and I'm gonna rate the box and we're gonna be done. So guys, we received these 3 pairs of lashes here. Gorgeous. We also received, hold on, let me hold it like this, these 3 brushes here. This eyeshadow, this liquid eyeshadow that I have on my eyes right now. And this liquid eyeliner pen. That's 2, 4, 6 products for this month. Y'all see that? 6 products. Let me grab my wine while I do final thoughts. Final thoughts on this box. Well, for $21 a month, I must say that I'm pretty pleased with the box. I think this was an amazing, amazing, amazing month, an amazing start to the new year. I put Lash Me Monthly in my honorable mentions for my boxes last year, one of my favorites, and I'm telling you, if they keep on this track, they will be my top box of 2020. This box, I mean, I'm actually really, really, really in love with. The lashes, I mean, they got me so, oh my God. This really should be the TonyaNicole box, really. Like, this is like me. All of these are me. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This color is gorgeous. Look how pigmented. Look how pretty. We got 3 brushes, a black liner. All of these products I could use. And I must say, I am in love with this box. I actually love this month's box. If you like lashes, or if you're a beginner, which I see a lot of my bomb-ass subscribers are playing with lashes, that makes me happy. I love it. I think I'm going to start my own lash line because TonyaNicole needs her own lash line. What y'all think? So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire. To 5, being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all should know. If y'all don't know, it's a 5. This was an amazing box for me. Amazing job, Lash Me Monthly. You get a 5 from TonyaNicole. And I'm going to rename the January box TonyaNicole's box. So guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this box. Let me know if you would subscribe to Lash Me Monthly. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I mean, I hope you did. I did. I had a fun time today with y'all. What y'all think? Yes, y'all have fun? Please let me know in the comments below because y'all know we're going to be chit-chatting it up. Don't forget to subscribe to the TonyaNicole Experience. And also follow me on Instagram. All of those links will be down below. I will put Lash Me Monthly's link down below. Don't forget, if you use the code Tonya, you get $5 off your first box. And guess what, boo? I'm done. So guys, until next time in next video, make sure you got your drink in hand, coffee, water, liquor, whatever you want, and partying with your girl. Hey, groove with me. Groove with me. I'm going to see y'all next time, guys. Bye.